Aloha, Adele Brienne here again. So it's day 6 of live storytelling, and today my mission is to go live and don't deny what I'm really good at. So this is gonna be a super nerd moment for me, because I was like, okay, what are some things I'm really good at? And like I'm good at building websites and I'm a good listener and I'm good at executing like a wide range of digital tech support for my clients. But I think what I'm really, really, really good at that kind of sets me apart from other website nerds is I'm really, really good at keyword research. And so when I take on a project website where they're not ranking in Google or they have a brand new website or they have a decent amount of competition in their local area, what I excel at is going and finding a huge amount of keywords that the client has never thought of and all these variety and like you can think of the most popular keyword phrase for your business, like you're a hair salon in Kihei. So Kihei hair salon, Kihei hair services. Like that's really obvious, but I'll come up with like 50 other keywords and phrases that are still really popular and all these variations of words that your customers actually type into the search engine looking for your services. So I do think that that's a really good, valuable service for people, especially because most people don't do SEO. They don't really know how to do SEO on their own. And even other SEO experts, I see them doing sort of the bare minimum job of SEO or not really having a finesse with copywriting. So I have a degree in journalism and I've been doing web design for 26 years. And so when I do my keyword research, I have many, many years of trial and error experience from running my own websites and then running client websites. And I've worked for hundreds of different industries. So I have a really broad range of skills to find the keyword phrases that are actually going to like match you up in Google with customers who are searching for what you do. And I like to use that metaphor that like Google is a matchmaker. It's a matchmaker service because you exist, your website exists, and your client exists, and your client wants to be matched up with this service or product that you provide, and they're going to go into the search engine and type in some variation of keywords. The beauty of SEO and the way that it's actually so incredibly customizable and powerful is that every human searches in a slightly different way. Like, yes, someone is going to type the most obvious keyword, that Kihei hair salon, but someone else is going to type in best haircut Kihei. Or maybe they're not even going to use Kihei. Maybe they're just going to go super generic and just put Maui, best haircut Maui, or, hairstylist Maui, or whatever. So, like, when you hire an SEO person, you should ask quite a few questions about, like, can you show me samples of your work? Do you have testimonials? Do you have another client that can tell me why you did such a good job for them or the results they got? And ultimately, the results you want to get with SEO isn't just that you get more traffic, it's what you want, more actual purchases. You want more actual paying customers. So whether you have a web shop where you're selling retail items, a drop shipping site where you're selling merchandise, or you have a service either online or you actually have a storefront where people come to your business, you really, that's what you want, is you want more customers. And so that's the other part of, let's say you have a great website and you have really good SEO and you're ranking in Google, but you're not actually getting new customers, you're not really making more money. Well, that's when you want to do an audit of your website to figure out what's the missing connection. I'm getting traffic, but people aren't buying. So that's when you really want to audit your website and be like, is my messaging off? Is it too focused on me versus the actual benefits and results my clients get? If you have a service, is it hard to navigate? Does the mobile version suck? Like a lot of people are looking at your website on their phone, so you want the phone version to be good. So yeah, I do recommend, like, if you're having connection converting traffic and visitors into actual paying customers, you want to do an audit of your website and figure out like what is the missing link. Like what is the aspect of the website that is sort of like people are dropping off or they visit but they don't buy, things like that. Or, they visit and they don't fill out your form, they don't contact you, they don't take that next step to hire you, work with you, pay you, purchase from you, etc. So yeah, that's what I think I'm really good at, is really deep diving on keyword research, so that we're not just targeting the most competitive phrase, which there might be dozens and dozens or even hundreds or even thousands of other people trying to win for this phrase. I can, create, I say, curate a keyword list that's anywhere from 50 to 150 words that's going to bring you clientele. So, anyway, that's my nerding out moment for week 6, or sorry, day 6 of going live. And if you have any questions about SEO or keywords or websites, please reach out. I'm here for you. And I'd love to help you make more money online.